Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have two more spoilers for the September BoxyLuxe box. Now this is the upgraded box. So first I'm going to show you what we already have, and then I'm going to show you the two new variations. So first you will either be getting the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. That is valued at $49. You will either get that or the Sunday Riley Tidal Moisturizer in the full-size bottle, which is 50 milliliters. That is valued at $65. Next, you will either get the Sponge Gel Mani Pedi Treatment with the Clean Skin Water Bottle Infuser, which is valued at $35.95. That is together. Or you will receive the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette, which is valued at $45. Now, the two new variations, you will either get one or the other. So first is the Sutra Beauty 32mm clipless curling iron, or you will get the Moda Brush 8-piece brush kit. Now again, those are variations, and in this box, if you haven't received an email already, you should be getting one where they are going to allow you to customize one of your items, and it's going to be valued at over $300. So guys, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I will keep you guys updated, and as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. So always make sure your bell is on, that way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.